Self-leveling sealant is generally better for narrow, moving cracks, while polymeric sand often wins for wider gaps where a rigid, flush finish is desired. For cracks less than 1/4 of an inch wide, choose a polyurethane or silicone self-leveling sealant because it adheres to concrete, stretches with thermal movement, and creates a continuous flexible barrier that blocks light and root growth. Apply with the joint clean and dry, remove loose debris with a stiff wire brush, blow or vacuum the dust, and dry the joint completely to ensure adhesion. For best results, use a backer rod in deeper cracks to control sealant depth and prevent three-sided adhesion. For cracks wider than 1/4 of an inch, consider polymeric sand because it compacts into a firm joint, locks particles together when activated with water, and produces a stone-like surface that resists mechanical removal. When using polymeric sand, sweep it in dry, compact in layers with a tamper or a heavy board, then mist with water slowly so the binder activates without washing away the sand. Avoid overwatering, which weakens the bond. Both systems benefit from periodic inspection. Sealants may need resealing every 5 to 10 years depending on traffic and exposure, while polymeric sand may require spot topping if erosion or settling occurs. Choose materials rated for freeze-thaw cycles in your climate and match color and texture to surrounding paving for the best visual result. Common issues include poor adhesion of sealant from unclean or damp joints, which you fix by thoroughly cleaning and drying the crack and using a primer if recommended. Another problem is settled or washed out polymeric sand after heavy rain or pressure washing, which you prevent by compacting well and applying water gradually to activate the binder. Reapply in low spots rather than ignoring them. A third concern is using the wrong product for a moving crack, causing splitting or cracking. If movement is evident, pick a flexible sealant and allow proper joint depth rather than a rigid fill so the material can stretch without tearing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and lets us share project experiences so users can compare real-world outcomes for sealants and polymeric sand. Our community discussion area helps homeowners and contractors exchange tips, ask questions, and find work together.